Now let us start the properties. So we are doing with amines. ठीक, amines में chemical properties. Chemical property में the first important, this is only most important property, that is basic nature. That is basic nature. But why ammonia is basic? Because it has lone pair of electrons. It is a Lewis base. तो ये अमोनिया से तो आए, they are also basic in nature. Why they have lone pair of electrons? When they will enter in the water, it will form a coordinate bond and act as a Lewis base and form NH3 positive, giving us OH negative. है ना? बेसिक क्यों है? क्योंकि they are basic. They are basic because they have lone pair of electrons. See, they can donate the lone pair of electron to this H plus and forming ammonium ion and giving us OH negative. अब ये तो पता चल गया बेसिक है. अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आता है, they are more basic than ammonia. Amines are more basic than ammonia. ठीक. The question is why amines are more basic than ammonia. This is ammonia, which is not having beta any R group. This is a amine having R group. And this R group has plus I inductive set. This R group has plus I inductive set. It can donate the electron to nitrogen, which is a central atom. And thus nitrogen has more negative charge with the lone pair of electron, means electron intensify होगी. तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो पूछा जाता है, why aliphatic amines are stronger bases than ammonia? Because they have alkyl group which has plus I inductive effect. ठीक बेटे? So now second question. Second, why aromatic amine are weaker base than ammonia? Why aromatic amines are weaker base than aliphatic amine? This is aromatic amine, that is aniline. This is an aliphatic amine. We have seen in aliphatic amine there is a plus I inductive effect. है ना? In aromatic amine, as NH2 has plus R inductive effect, its lone pair get engaged in the resonance Can it donate its lone pair now? No, है ना, क्योंकि ये H प्लस ये जो लोन पेयर है रिंग के अंदर ही चलेगी फर्स्ट। सेकंड बेटे, when aniline से the ion form, anilinium ion form is less resonance stabilized. Can it form resonating structure? Very well. It can form two resonating structure only. That is these. तो यही घुमा सकते हो क्योंकि अब लोन पेयर तो यूज हो गए, वो रेजोनेंस में इन्वॉल्व नहीं हो सकते, है ना। तो जो आयन बना है क्योंकि उसके लोन पेयर नहीं है एंड इट शो डजंट शो रेजोनेंस, कैन बी मोर स्टेबल देन एनिलीन which can show resonance? No. Product must be more stable than reaction is fast. When the product is less stable, then the reaction is slow. Now this reaction is slow. Why? The ion form is less resonance stabilized as compared to your reactant, that is aniline. Getting my point? So this is the second question which is asked in the paper. Third, very important question. It is very, 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 very important. ये आता ही आता है पेपर में. Compare the basic strength of tertiary, secondary and primary amine. Tertiary, secondary and primary amine. Now let us compare the basic strength. अगर वैसे सोचते हैं बेटे, in tertiary will not write, will write afterwards. In tertiary there are three groups which are showing plus sign inductive effect, है ना? In secondary there are two groups which are showing plus sign inductive effect. In primary there is only one group which is showing beta plus I inductive effect. Means more will be the inductive effect, more will be it will be basic, है ना? जो electron release करें, the group is attached which is giving the electron, it will turn amine basic. So tertiary amine is should be more basic than secondary, and secondary amine should be more basic than primary. Because of which effect? Inductive effect. This is the case. This is right. When it is right, when there is a gaseous phase. When we are comparing the basic strength in the gaseous phase, means ammonia, yeah, amines, primary, secondary, tertiary are in the gas form. Then the order is correct. That is tertiary, secondary, primary, because of plus I inductive effect. Is right. But when the phase is beta aqueous, when the phase is aqueous, then the order will be secondary, then primary, then tertiary. And this is in the case of methylamine. If I write like this, in the case of methylamine, dimethylamine, then methylamine, then trimethylamine. In the aqueous phase, the order is secondary, primary, tertiary. Why is it so now? Let us see. First effect, that is beta inductive effect. हाँ जी. वो aqueous के लिए. और भी है. और भी है. ठीक बेटे. अब ये aqueous में ऐसा क्यों हो जाता है? Why the order is secondary, primary and then tertiary? Whenever the question is asked like this कि ये बना होगा arrange in the order of increasing order of the basicity. ठीक, but in the bracket it will be given in the gaseous phase or in the aqueous phase. Seeing your phase, you will give the answer. ठीक है बेटे. Now first is beta inductive effect. In aqueous phase we are doing. What answer you will give in the aqueous phase? According to inductive effect, we have already done that the order must be tertiary, secondary and primary. The order must be tertiary, secondary and primary. Second beta steric effect. The order is again now, it will be primary, secondary and tertiary. Why? Steric means bead, hindrance means bead. तीन group लगे होंगे, so there will be a bulky group attached, then they can't donate lone pair of electron to small h positive easily. ठीक है? If you increase the steric hindrance, so there is the capability of donating the electron will decrease. So the order must be primary, secondary, tertiary. As in the primary, there is no steric hindrance. One only group is attached. In the secondary, the steric hindrance will be more, as two R group are attached. In the tertiary, there the steric hindrance is most. Why? Because three groups are attached. Now, main factor is beta solvation. Now, this is primary amine. Aqueous means H plus है. ये क्या बनेगा? RN. ये बनेगा. जब ये बन जाएगा तो ये कितने वाटर मॉलिक्यूल के साथ हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड बना सकता है? 1, 2, 3. It can form hydrogen with bond with the 3 water molecules. After forming this, तो मीन्स जितना बॉन्ड ज्यादा उतनी सॉल्वेशन एनर्जी ज्यादा रिलीज होगी, उतना प्रोडक्ट क्या हो जाएगा हमारा? स्टेबल. In this case, primary amine, when it donates lone pair of an electron and form cation, the product is more stable in aqueous medium than talking about secondary amine. Now, how many hydrogen bond it can form? It can form 2 hydrogen bonds. It can form 2 hydrogen bonds. Talking about tertiary amine, how many hydrogen bond it can form? Only 1. According to this concept, the order must be primary, secondary, then tertiary. Huh? According to inductive factor, the order must be tertiary, secondary, and then primary. According to steric factor, the order must be primary, secondary, and tertiary. According to this effect also, the order must be primary, secondary, and tertiary. Means we got primary, secondary, and tertiary 2 times, and tertiary, secondary, and primary 1 time. We got this. Means secondary तो अपनी पोजीशन लेके बैठा है. I will be तो there all the way. तीनों में सेकंड, तो तीनों की एवरेज निकाल के वो फर्स्ट आ जाता है. प्राइमरी 2 में फर्स्ट, एक में लास्ट ही चला गया, वो सेकंड पोजीशन पे आ गया. एंड टर्शियरी तो आया ही एक में फर्स्ट है, so it will be in third position. And it is the case of beta when we are talking about methylamine. When we are talking about methyl means trimethylamine, dimethylamine, and methylamine. This is the case. ठीक. In aqueous phase, beta you started. When the question will be asked, what happened in the aqueous phase? Arrange the amine, that is methylamine, dimethylamine, trimethylamine in the aqueous phase. Then the order is secondary, primary, tertiary. And this is the explanation you have given. You will explain giving according to inductive effect, the order must be tertiary, secondary, primary. According to steric effect, the order must be primary, secondary, tertiary. According to solvation effect, the order must be primary, secondary, tertiary. So combining 3 factors, the ultimate order is secondary, primary, tertiary in the aqueous medium. But in the gaseous medium, the order is secondary, tertiary, secondary, primary, because only inductive effect is working there. बेटे फर्स्ट ये जो ऑर्डर आता है इंडक्टिव इफेक्ट के कारण आता है. देयर ठीक है. दिस इज ऑल्सो सॉल्वेशन. दिस यू कैन राइट ऑफ स्टेरिक. ठीक. तो when combining the 3 factors in the aqueous medium, we will get this order. Getting my point? And in the gaseous phase only and only you will explain by this factor. Only and only you will explain by this factor. Okay, bete? But the question is asked regarding this, that is ethylamine, diethylamine, and triethylamine. अगर क्वेश्चन इसमें से पूछा जाए, then the order is secondary, then tertiary, then primary. This is only for the methyl, remember. This is only for the methylamine, dimethylamine, and trimethylamine. When the order is being asked from the ethylamines or next coming amines, then the order will be secondary, tertiary, primary. Secondary, tertiary, primary. Why, bete? When ethyl group comes, plus I effect overpowers. प्लस आई. सेकेंडरी तो अपनी पोजीशन वहीं लगा के बैठा है जहां पे होनी चाहिए उसकी. अब अगर रह गया टर्शियरी और प्राइमरी की बात, तो टर्शियरी में 3 इथाइल ग्रुप लगे हुए हैं, तो 3 का प्लस आई इफेक्ट बहुत बढ़ जाता है. ठीक है. एक्सप्लेनिंग दिस यू विल टेल बिकॉज ऑफ प्लस आई इफेक्ट. Generally, to arrange the basic order, it is of 2 marks. You see your NCERT बेटे ऐसा क्वेश्चन है. See the back exercise. Just see your NCERT back exercise. You will find the question with the same. वो एक एक वर्ड ही डिमांड कर रहे हैं. वो एग्जाम में आपसे 2 मार्क्स के अगर अरेंज आया ना तो दे आर नॉट कि आप इतना सारा समझा के आओगे. 1 मार्क्स की एक ऑर्डर है, दूसरे मार्क्स की दूसरी ऑर्डर है. मतलब यू कैन राइट yourself then. That is why I am saying base must be clear. +1 में कईयों को अभी तक इंडक्टिव इफेक्ट नहीं आता. क्या होता है? अब आ जाओ जी, इफेक्ट ऑफ सब्स्टिट्यूएंट on the basic character of aromatic amine. अब हमने देखा बेटे, we have seen already that aromatic amines are less basic than aliphatic. This we have seen. Benzene वाली amines are less basic than chain वाली amines. ठीक है, aromatic means connected with the benzene and aliphatic means when they connected with the chain. ठीक. So this we have seen. This is less basic. So how we can make it more basic? Obviously, we can make it more basic by attaching electron releasing group. है ना? If we will attach electron, so we are doing, I will must write effect of substituent. On aromatic amine. ठीक है बेटे. If we will attach the electron releasing group in the benzene ring, अगर बेंजीन को इलेक्ट्रॉन दे रहा है तो इसको भी इलेक्ट्रॉन देगा, तो नाइट्रोजन आगे लोन से आसानी से दे देगी. तो अगर आप इलेक्ट्रॉन रिलीजिंग ग्रुप लगा देते हो तो ये क्या बन जाती है? मोर बेसिक. विल बिकम मोर बेसिक. और then effect of electron withdrawing group. Withdrawing group. When you attach electron withdrawing group, what will happen? It will withdraw the electron from the ring. जब रिंग से इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉ करेगा तो इट विल विड्रॉ द इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्रॉम नाइट्रोजन आल्सो. So it will become less basic. Now next is we want to see where our substituent is attached. It is attached to ortho position, it is attached to meta position, or it is attached to the para position. एक बात याद रखो बेटे, और ये हमेशा मैं बोलती हूँ, आप ना लिख के रख लो इसको कि ऑर्थो और पैरा पे प्लस आर या माइनस आर, दैट इज इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग और रिलीजिंग ड्यू टू आर इफेक्ट, दोनों लगते हैं. ठीक है. और ऑर्थो मेटा पैरा पे तीनों पे प्लस आर प्लस आई और माइनस आई दोनों लगते हैं. और ये इफेक्ट होते हैं डिस्टेंस. मीन्स इफ अ ग्रुप इज अटैच टू द ऑर्थो पोजीशन, उसका माइनस आई या प्लस आई जो भी है वो ज्यादा लगेगा. फिर मेटा की बारी आएगी, फिर पैरा की. ये मैंने +1 की बात है मेरी, सुनोगे +1 में कि ऑर्थो मेटा पैरा में प्लस आई और माइनस आई दोनों लगते हैं. और ये डिस्टेंस इफेक्ट होता है, ठीक है बेटे। और ऑर्थो पे सबसे ज्यादा, मेटा पे उससे कम, पैरा पे उससे। और ऑर्थो पैरा पे प्लस आई या माइनस आर दोनों लगे, ये याद रखना पहले ये बात। ये बात पहले समझो, ठीक। अब अगर हम इलेक्ट्रॉन रिलीजिंग ग्रुप मान लो, इफ यू अटैच इलेक्ट्रॉन रिलीजिंग ग्रुप एट ऑर्थो पोजीशन, तो इट विल बोथ है प्लस आर एंड प्लस आई, तो उसको स्ट्रॉन्ग बना देगा एनिलीन को। अगर हम ऐसा ग्रुप अटैच कर दें ऑर्थो पोजीशन पे जिसका प्लस आई और प्लस आर दोनों, तो क्या एनिलीन को ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं बनाएगा? हमने अभी बोला कि इफ इलेक्ट्रॉन रिलीजिंग ग्रुप आर अटैच्ड तो मोर बेसिक हो जाएगा। अब ऐसा ग्रुप में अटैच कर दूं ऑर्थो पोजीशन पे जिसका प्लस आई है, वो पास पड़ा है, ऑर्थो सबसे पास पड़ा है, फिर मेटा और इसके साथ इसका प्लस आर भी लग रहा है, तो ऐसा नहीं होता इन केस ऑफ एनिलीन। In case of this aniline, one is called ortho effect. कि ऑर्थो पोजीशन पे, ऑन ऑर्थो पोजीशन either electron withdrawing group or electron releasing group is attached it will make aromatic amine less basic. This is called ortho effect. It is mixture of steric and electronic effect.